London. 6:47 is your time right now. Journalist Molly Snyder collects typewriters. She still uses them to write letters and cards. She has about 12 that she owns. Molly remembers some of her favorite college days, sipping wine with her girlfriends, listening to music, just typing away. She shares her love of typewriters with journalist Tea Krulos. The two want to take you back, way back to September of 1869. Can you hear it? We have a typewriter to show you in a second. Tom's clicking away. That year is when the typewriter was invented here in Milwaukee. And last year, the two created what's called QWERTY Fest. So QWERTY, QWERTY, those are the letters on the first row of your phone or your keyboard. I met with Tea and Molly yesterday at State Street Pizza Pub on State Street. It is the exact place where the typewriter was created. A man named Christpher Sholes perfected the first typewriter at what was Klein-Steuber Machine Shop. Now, people can learn more about the inventor and Milwaukee's history in the 1860s and 70s through QWERTY Fest activities, just like a cemetery tour, workshops, a typewriter ball, and a whiskey type party.
You know, we've gotten as creative as we can. We've gotten, you know, as quirky and as fun as we can, because we know it's nerdy, but it's also like, it's fun.
It's cool.
Fun nerdy, yeah, exactly. And we just want to have it be about art and music and partying and history and just all the things that Milwaukee is about is what QWERTY Fest is.
Yeah. Okay, look at this. My favorite on the list, a group called the Boston Typewriter Orchestra. Guys, they use their typewriters to make music. I was stunned. And all weekend long, State Street Pub has Sholes specials to celebrate the last name of the inventor. Okay, so yesterday, I think we have some video to show you. I had no idea how to use, I was a little embarrassed, how to use a typewriter. So my more seasoned colleagues showed me. Oh, we just had the video. I think we pulled away from it.
There it is.
Yeah, showed me how to use it. We're click-clacking away. Clark in the promotions department, as well as Andrea Williams, our specialty reporter, was showing me how to use it. I didn't know a thing.
That one still works.
Yes, and
Okay,
this
so
one, Tom, you're gonna try some.
Load this one with some paper, and see, I'd be surprised if the ink on this works. Now, you know, back in the day here in the TMJ4 newsroom, there were typewriters all over the place as they clacked away and typed the news of the day. Yeah, well, you can kind of see, but
oh, it's very faint.
It's also not moving because there's something's broken with it.
Anyway,
there we go.
While you're doing that, so they do have a post near the pub, where the pub is now, that you can actually read some information about the inventor, and it's just a cool fun fact to know about Milwaukee. So QWERTY Fest happening this weekend in Milwaukee. We'll try to figure this thing out.
This one, it's just broken. It's been around for too long.
Yeah, we'll be right back.